In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero accounting software. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant looking to streamline your financial processes, Xero offers a comprehensive and user-friendly platform designed to meet your needs. Let's dive right into how you can get started with Xero and make the most out of its features. First, head on over to your Xero homepage. If you haven't already set up your account, be sure to do so by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed by Xero's intuitive dashboard. This serves as your command center, giving you a quick overview of your financial status with easy access to all the key features. One of the great things about using Xero as your accounting software is its simplicity and ease of use. The platform is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to focus more on managing your business rather than worrying about the intricacies of accounting. You'll find that navigating through the different sections, such as invoicing, expenses, and bank reconciliation, is seamless and efficient. As you explore Xero, you'll notice it provides an excellent guide and support system to help you along the way. If you ever feel stuck or need more information on a particular feature, Xero's built-in support resources are just a click away. The platform includes a variety of tutorials and FAQs to assist you, ensuring you have all the tools necessary to succeed. Moreover, Xero's interface is not only easy to navigate but also aesthetically pleasing, making your accounting tasks a bit more enjoyable. The clean layout helps reduce the clutter, so you can find what you need when you need it. This user-friendly experience is one of the reasons why Xero is favored by many businesses around the world. To enhance your experience even further, Xero offers seamless integration with numerous third-party applications. This allows you to customize your accounting software to suit your specific business needs, whether it's payroll, customer relationship management, or inventory tracking. Xero's flexibility ensures that you can build a system that works best for you. Before we wrap up, remember that the key to getting the most out of Xero is to regularly engage with the platform. By consistently updating your financial data and exploring new features, you'll be able to maintain an accurate financial picture of your business and make informed decisions. Thank you for joining me today to learn about how to use Xero accounting software. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident in using Xero to manage your business finances. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out through the comments section. Until next time, happy accounting!